here we have a Trane XC 1200 heat pump that's not running, and a Trane unit that is running. And the Trane is a straight cool unit from 2000, and the XC 1200 is also from 2000. It's a heat pump. But the XC 1200, the model number is TWP 060D300A1. Serial number is R3130441F. Now the straight cool unit, the model number is TTA 060D300A1. Serial number is R261XTL3F. It's probably the first XC1200 I've seen, and it's got a big fan. I'll just say that. It's a lot wider than the, it's a lot larger. Even though it's shorter than this unit, it's wider. It has a larger footprint than this unit over here. Right here it's this Trane. Over here you can see it says XC1200 heat pump. But nothing too special about these units, really. So yeah, 2000 Trane units, a 2000 Trane XC1200 heat pump, and a 2000 Trane straight cool unit, which is running. Over and out.